What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie back at it again with another video. Before we go further in the video, I forgot to do this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, go down below the video, look in the corner, and click that subscribe. That way you can be alert every time a video drop. But I'm gonna speed the process up. Let's go right back into the video. All right, just bought the drills, and now it's time to install the Type R wing everybody's been waiting for, and I've been waiting for. So it's time for me to get home and start working on it. Let's go. So today I'm on my way to the house. I haven't been home. I was with my girlfriend. I was over her house, and she stays about like an hour away from me. So chilled over her house, spent some quality time all day yesterday after I went and got the sign markers and got my Type R wing. So now we are going to go install the Type R wing. I'm super fucking stoked about that. And then, oh shit. But right now this video is going to be the Type R installing. I'm gonna try my best to install and record at the same time because I'm kind of in a crunch time to get to the dealership. But hopefully you guys like this video. I'm gonna try to give you a great video. I'm so excited. Type R wing is back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get it done. I think I might put the Honda decal on the side of it, and then when I get tired of that, then I'll just wrap it to match the same color as my car. We're gonna see how it go, but yeah, stay tuned, y'all. All right, so right now, you guys, I finally made it to the crib. You can see that the car is right here. I'm about to get ready to install. It's kind of difficult for me to do by myself, but yeah, I can't wait to put it on. This is my first time ever doing like a real serious mod by myself without any help. And yeah, so I'm gonna record as I go through the steps, and hopefully it comes out great. Also, I got all the tools right there. I just bought some tools because I don't have no tools, and then I got the Type R ring right there. So I'm fucking excited, y'all. What I was told is that you have to take this part off and this part off. So take those sides off just to get into that part. So before I go any further, I'm gonna measure it up, make sure I get it at the right location, and then I'll show you guys next step. The first side, what I do is I use these things. These are like locators, so they basically let me know where I need to drill the hole. So if you see these two little dots, these are going right under the Type R wing. So if you see right here, the little bolt right there and the one right there, those go straight into those, so it's showing me exactly where to drill the hole. So you want to get everything right. So if you see in between those little holes, I'll put a drill, and it's going to get right in there. And it's so when I lift the trunk up, I see the two holes, and I can indicate where I need to drill the bigger holes, and then I can get it ready for these screws to go under the Type R wing so it can hold its own. And yep, so I did one side. I'm gonna do the other side, then I'll show you guys the next. All right, so I drilled the holes right here, got it all lined up. Right there, so I'm gonna make it bigger, but so that way you take off all that off there. I need to take this part off, but the only damn thing is I might have to run to the store because I don't have the screwdriver to take those off, or the screw gun, whatever the fuck I call it. Anyways, if you look right here, if you look right, let's see, if you look right there, you can see the hole, and the other one's tucked up in there, but this is in the way, but I think I can make it work. All right, so right now I got in here, took that off, put those there. Now I got two more to come off. I'm doing it the harder way because I don't have all the fucking tools. I gotta use this two hands, get all the way up in there and pull those out. So that's why I'm at right now. It's taking a long time, but it is what it is. At least I'm working on it. So yeah, we're gonna get it out. Fuck. Doing it the harder way. Wish I had all the right fucking tools. But got this one off. One more to go. arms are fucking getting tired. And this is taking longer. Fucking hatchbacks are a pain in the fucking ass to fucking do things on. Whew. Arms are tired. We gotta get it done. It makes you appreciate your built even more, because when you actually do things on your own without any help, you appreciate your ride more and more and more and more and more better. My fucking arms are tired, y'all. Yes, we got the last one out. Let's take this off. Yes. All right. So, I finally accomplished taking the whole fucking inside out. So now we have easier access to the Type R wing. You can see the holes right there, and you can see the holes right there. I had to make the holes bigger. Now the screw works efficiently, and now it's time for me to get deep into it. So yeah, so the whole goal is to take the parts off of my trunk, and then the main big part right there, and then it's time to get it on. All right, so everything is done with the car. The Type R wing is on my car. So right now I'm on my way. Well, I'm here at Lowe's. I'm grabbing like some cohesive spray, and then that way it can lock into the car much better and much stronger. The screws is kind of like bullshitty, but I think it's gonna work out. I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the parking lot and parking garage, and you guys can see. So it's finally official, you guys. I finally mastered the Type R wing. You guys been asking for it. I'm finally at a location. I'm ready to reveal you guys the car. I'm super excited. The Flash looks so more sexier. I only had the wing, I only had the spoiler on the car for about 20 minutes of driving, and I got the most compliments I ever got in my life. It's time for you guys to see the truth. It's time for you guys to see we did it. And guess what? We are not done with mods, but I'm ready to show you guys and reveal to you guys the Flash. So the whole thing, what I do with my video, you guys, I'm inspiring you guys to be yourself. Do what you love. Do not let nobody discourage you from making your perfect build. When you're watching my channel, you're not watching a person that's building like everybody else. I'm doing something different. I'm stepping outside the comfort zone. I'm actually going farther and farther and farther and farther and farther and farther. I am building my dream car. This is my dream car, man. It's not the fucking Type R, but it looks way fucking better. And trust me, when I do with the performance, it's gonna be faster than the fucking Type R for cheaper. This is my baby. This is my fucking baby. My 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. Richie Rich Mo Edition. I love this car, you guys. Let's soak in this, man. We almost 1,000 subscribers. And I'm here with my baby. You guys do not understand how much you guys mean to me. Without you guys' help, none of this is possible. As far as me just really going hardcore. I would have did this, but I would have did that at my pace. But since my channel's at a higher demand and a lot of you guys really want to see my building, you know, this is what it is. I love it, and it's nowhere near done. This is nowhere near done. But this is my baby, the Flash. The Super Honda. This is the Super Honda, man. And I'm making this video And I'm making this build for those that want this type of body car, don't want to get the Type R, but want to get something cheaper and affordable. You can do it. Look at me. I didn't buy the Type R. I bought the models under, and I'm fucking having fun with it, and I get more attention than the Type R. It's my baby, man. I want to thank every one of you guys for all the support and all the encouragement that you guys have been giving me. We almost 1K. We almost 1,000, man. Man. Thank you guys for the support, man. Thank you guys for the support. And I'm loving my ride, man. I'm loving my ride. My baby, man. The Flash. I'm doing something different, you guys. Something different nobody's doing. And that's being a creator. Being creative, stepping out the box, not giving a fuck with how people think. And when I did that, and guess what? The main people told me don't do that before I did it. And guess what? They're a fan of it. And everybody else was loving the art. This is art. This is my art, my expression. I'm happy you guys like this video. This is my baby, the Flash. It's badass, man. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Please, let's share this channel and let's spread it to others. Let's get this channel growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. You guys have a blessed day. It's just me and the Flash, man.